Okay, restoring a 55 Tonka pickup, putting the new rivets in the bed with my tubular rivet clincher. I want to install the rivet in there and take the tool, put the head on the top of the rivet there, and make sure you line up on the bottom. After you got lined up, just clench it down nice and tight. Remove the tool. You got a nice shiny head on your rivet. You can paint it if you want, but or you can leave it straight. And then you got a nice rolled rivet on the other side. And then the good part about this tool is installing the rivet in the back of the bed up against the cab is one of the hardest places to get without a proper tool, and that's really where I ended up making this tool, just for this reason here. So you want to unscrew the tool as far as you can there. You fit it over the paint without scratching anything. I'll make sure you're lined up on the bottom. Sometimes it helps to use a vise to hold the clamp so you hold everything still. Or you can just do it the hard way like I'm doing. Got it all lined up, and just go ahead and tighten it up nice and tight. With the tool, you got your rivets. Nice rolled over without any damage to your truck. Nice and tight.